Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Forsyth, local and long-distance movers near me. When you schedule a long-distance move with us, you gain access to all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Whether you're going just one state over or several states over, we can help make your move quick and efficient. Our team does the hard work so you can focus on getting used to your new home. It's a big deal to relocate. Let's make the moving process easier for you. Choosing to hire an Illinois moving company for a local move is smart. It's a decision that you will certainly not regret. Without movers, you have to do all the work. This means lots of time packing up, loading up a truck, unloading, and unpacking. While you might be capable of doing this work, professionals can do it faster. The professional movers from 3 Movers will work to do it all for you. We streamline the process of moving and help get to your new location faster. Whether you're moving a home or a business, we can make sure you don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. Our team can handle even the largest move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Forsyth moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.